We are Zachary and Madeline Evans, and we are building the Addison P.
What I have enjoyed so far during this whole designing process is the guidance that we've received and the patience that we've received, the encouragement to go out and look at the model homes, look at our brick choices in different light, things that we would have never thought of on our own. Really not holding our hand, but gently guiding us through that process so that we're educated in our decisions and know that we are making the choices we want, not just on a whim choosing.
What I've enjoyed most about working with Shaw Homes is their flexibility and patience. They give you the time to make sure you figure out what you want and don't push you. And they're very flexible as well. I have a hectic work schedule that's not standard, and they're very patient and flexible in scheduling design meetings, extra design meetings, or meeting whenever you can meet and get things taken care of. Although this is our first time building a home, we did go through many other model homes from many other builders, and I look for things, small details. I'm paying attention to the lines of the paint, the trim, the flooring, every little tiny piece of a home when I go through it. And in some cases it's just not that great. You go through a Shaw home and you can tell that attention to detail is there. The lines of the paint are clean and don't mesh into one another. The trim is mounted correctly and straight. Every tiny little detail that you could find in a home, when you go through a Shaw home, it's correct. It doesn't look like they just went through and did a rush job. It looks like they took their time and made sure the product that they're putting out and the way they're representing themselves is correct.
If I knew someone that was looking to build a home, I would encourage them to go check out some Shaw homes, see what they're putting out, really look at those details that they are paying attention to, and see if it's the home for them, because I don't think they would be disappointed.
Nope.